for joining another fitness video on Tuesday, and today we've got Hayden!
Hey!
Woo! So we're going to do a kettlebell circuit today. We're going to work the whole body. We're going to do lower body first, followed by arms and then abs, and we're going to do different time slots. So yeah, let's go. Okay, we're going to do kettlebell swings to start with for 30 seconds and then 15 seconds rest. Okay, go. Use any weight that you like. It's starting to rain. 15 seconds left.
This is hydrating.
Keep us cool. 10. Last 5 seconds. 2. And rest for 15 seconds. Have some water if you need to. Okay, next we're going to do a goblet squat, which you hold your kettlebell and then you squat. We're going to do that for 30 seconds as well. Okay, let's go. 20 seconds left. Make sure you push through your heels and not your knees. 20 seconds left. Your bum. 3, 2, 1, and rest. Oh, I did an extra squat. Okay, and then next we're going to do reverse lunges. So alternate your legs and reverse back. 2, 1, go.
Who made this bloody workout?
15 seconds left. Oh, my legs! 4, 3, and rest. Oh. Next we're going to do the isometric squat, which is you just hold the squat for 30 seconds. Okay, let's go. I'm not going to be able to hold this for 30 seconds. Oh. 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 Hayden's hardcore.
Not that hard.
Oh, God.
Last 10 seconds.
Get back into it if you struggle. Okay, 5. Ah! 2, 1. And stop, rest. So now we're going to do the whole set again. So we're going to go back to kettlebell swings. Oh, have a nice breather. Have some water if you need to as well. Rain, go away. Okay, 2 seconds. Go. That's 15 seconds. So really work on your glutes and your quads and hamstrings. Last 5 seconds. And stop.
Sweating?
I know. Gonna go back to the goblet squats now. Do that for 30 seconds. Kick your legs out if you need to. Okay, let's go. Make sure you squeeze your glutes together as you come up. 20 seconds left. Oh, it should not have the rain on you. 10 seconds left. So keep going. 5, 2, and rest. Oh. Check it out. Okay, reverse lunges. Let's go. 15 seconds. 10, 7, and rest. So hard. Now for the last isometric squat. That'll be the last of our lower body.
You're not
going to do it for the weight. Oh. 20 seconds left. Oh. Legs are shaking. Oh, 10 seconds. Ah! Oh, God. 4, 3, 2, and stop. Okay, now we're going to do the arms. We're going to do bicep curls with the kettlebell. We're going to do it for 20 seconds and then 10 seconds rest. 5, 4. Okay, let's go. Last 10 seconds. 5, and relax for 10 seconds. Now we're going to do tricep extension, which is behind your head. Okay, let's go. Last 10 seconds.
For this one, guys, if you start feeling any pressure in your lower back, get into the split stance. Okay.
And rest. Okay, the next are upright rows, which are these. Okay, let's go. Ten seconds left. 3, 2, and rest. 10 seconds. Next we're going to do the clean and press, which is bending down for it and then up above your head and then back down. Okay, let's go. This will work your legs and your arms as well. And also your abs. Great rolling.
Kettlebells are really good all-rounders. You know, you can have a good 10-minute workout with even the lightest kettlebell.
Rest. Other arm. Oh, my shoulders are cracking.
I just messed up.
I know. Think out this.
Make it on the spot.
Yeah. Let's do. And rest. So we're going to do the whole set again. We're going to do bicep curls. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Seconds left. Make sure you breathe. 5, 2, and rest. Have a drink. Still hydrated. So now we're going to do the tricep extensions again. Okay, let's go.
Keep those elbows tucked in nicely, guys.
10 seconds left. 5, 2, 1, and rest. Now to the upright rows. Okay, let's go. Halfway through. Woo! Last 10 seconds. 10 seconds of each arm. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, not 10 seconds. And rest. Now we're going to do abs. So we're going to do the V-sit. Okay, we're going to do for 15 seconds and 5 seconds rest. Five. And rest. Push and twist. 5, 4, 3. No, we're going to have 5 seconds rest and then we're going to do ab crunches. Okay, lie down. Ab crunches.
Yeah, that's right. I'm not doing them over the kettlebell.
I didn't think
I saw
so.
you looking over at me.
Kettlebell, the kettlebell circuit. Hey, dad. And rest. Oh.
Leg raise.
And then it's leg raises. So. Oh, that's 5 seconds. Last one. And rest. Now we're going to do the whole set again, so we're going to go back to the V-sit. Oh, your abs should be killing right now. Oh,
Mine are.
oh, me too. 4. Oh, God. 5 seconds rest. Put me in hard 8 seconds rest. Okay, now we're going to do Russian twist.
Pick up the pace, guys.
Oh, 5 seconds. Oh, God. Oh. And rest. And then for our last set of ab crunches. Go. Kettlebell, darling.
Oh, I'm good.
Work on that six pack. That's 5 seconds. 2. And rest. And now for our last leg raises. Oh. Oh my God. And I'll rest. Oh. Oh, I'm dead. Oh, you dead, Heidi?
Yeah, that's good.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And we're both dead. I hope you're dead too. And click on the bell. Oh, yeah, we finished already. And don't forget to click on the bell to be notified of when I upload. So I hope you have a wonderful day and I hope you had a good workout.
Take care, guys. Thank you for having me.
Bye.
Bye.
See you soon.